Hey you guys, this is gonna be sorry. This is gonna be an uploaded video, my second video. And this is a video, if you haven't seen my first video, it's on my squishy. So this is the packaging my squishy came in. So here. It's a Rilakkuma squishy, yeah. You guys can see that. I got it from Kawaii Land. Like a long time ago. Like a year ago. But I'm doing the videos now since I made a YouTube account and stuff. So that's what I'm showing. And I'm also showing these that I got like yesterday. Candy dot labels. I'm gonna probably be doing a video on like stuff I got yesterday because I got more than this. I'm showing you because it's so cute. So yeah, you guys. Bye.